everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the 5 most important words of vocabulary which will definitely enhance your writing skills as well as it will help you to get more band score in writing and speaking. Let's start. Our first word is subjective. It means that based on your own ideas or opinion rather than fact. That a thing that is only based on your thinking, not on the other facts, that is called subjective. Example, how we measure our life with regard to happiness is very subjective topic. That how we measure our happiness, how we can evaluate our life is just because of it is based on our own ideas or opinion. It does not based on facts. So that's why it is a very subjective topic. Next is conundrum. Conundrum means that you can use this word as a noun. It means a confusing problem or question that is very difficult to solve, that a hard nut to crack. So example, the big conundrums of the definition of true happiness is impossible. It means that a most difficult thing is to define what is true happiness. So a thing which is very difficult to define called as conundrum. Next is indisputable, that is true and can't be denied or disagreed with. A fact, a situation or a thing which is true at any cost and we can't deny that thing even with our own thoughts or anything else. So that is called indisputable, that there is no disputes in it. Example, there are some disputable solution of obesity, like there is no deny in the solution of obesity such as exercise and having healthy diet. So you can use this word in your topic sentence in body paragraph 1 or body paragraph 2 in which you want, you can use this word. Next one is constraint, a thing that limits or restricts something or your freedom to do. It means that restriction, a thing, like we can also use it as geographical constraints, cultural constraints, human constraint, that some type of restrictions which limits means that which restrict your progress, which restrict your freedom, even sometime it restrict your thoughts as well. So example, people moral values rely upon the cultural constraints. Rely means that depend, a person's thinking, their moral values are depend on the cultural constraints like cultural restrictions. Last one is to tear down. It is a phrasal verb to pull or knock down a building, wall, etc. When you have to knock down something like building and wall, then you can use this phrasal verb. In an example, tearing down old buildings indiscriminately and without understanding the real worth of them will be over the top. That when we knocked down the buildings without getting or without understanding the value and with indiscriminately, then these things are now on over the top. So in map, writing task 1, in a map you can use word in the tear down, to tear down or knock down. So these are the vocabularies for today. Thanks for watching the video and hope you guys listen it carefully and understand carefully. Subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification for the upcoming videos, and I will upload every day 5 most advanced vocabularies which will definitely help you in your IELTS. Thank you. Bye.